Okay, I had to record from a phone, and also quick update, I had to change each audio jack since it was different from the computer. So I'm going to connect the audio first, and I have no copyright songs here just so my video won't be claimed. And I'm going to connect the power, so I have that and I click play. gonna slow it down a little bit. Raising touch, 10%, 15%, going up. Okay, any video here, that is it. That's how you make an amplifier, super simple. And if you want to know how to make an amplifier using two Mosfets to make a more stronger song amplifier or whatever, comment down below and I'll do that video too. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.